at AMTEX 2026. Behind me is Mobil booth, one of the leading names in lubricants and end-to-end solutions.
We, ExxonMobil, are one of the world's largest integrated oil company. We call ourselves as energy company providing solutions. In India, we have a presence of more than 120 years, and we do businesses in lubricants and base stocks, chemicals, and LNG.
India is the fastest growing manufacturing economy in the world, and it's a strategic hub for ExxonMobil, not just a market where we sell into. Here, we want to interact with customers who are operating machines day in and day out, understand gaps where productivity is being lost, and find a way through our products and services to bridge those gaps.
We believe in the partnership with OEMs, which help in giving the best products, the best solutions, and the best technology, which is finally replicated in the industry growing. So this is what we talk about, a collaboration with OEMs. And at the heart of everything is a customer. The customer benefits at the end of it. Why this is important is we have a legacy, over 100-year-old legacy working with OEMs.
Manufacturers today are looking for partners who can help them improve their operational efficiency and not just supply of products. This is what we do in ExxonMobil. We don't just deliver high-performance products, we deliver that with technical expertise, building digital capabilities, and enabling them with value-added services.